Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm filming today's Tàijíquán Tip. And this is related to a tip that we did yesterday. And the idea is to bring to mind an animal and while practicing the form through a given section or sequence of the form, uh, keep that characteristic of the animal in mind, or manifest that characteristic, or just be inspired by that characteristic of the animal. And when we come to a natural place in the form, progress to another characteristic of the same animal, the same being, the same creature. And then stay with that, revel in that, be inspired by that, manifest that, bear it in mind for a series, for some section of your form practice, and then progress to the next. The difference here in today's tip is that I like to do that with a mythic animal, a legendary animal, and a not real being. And generally, these beings are much easier to inspire us. We find them much more easy to be inspired by than a mundane earthly animal. So give that a try. Go through your form and think about a characteristic of the dragon and manifest that. And then after a little while, think of another characteristic of the dragon and manifest that. And hopefully we'll broaden and deepen our awareness of these powerful mythic beings. And maybe one day we'll have some wuxia. Thank you very much, and continue to be the very best part of your art.